Yoga Kids Dino!
Hey little yogis, welcome to Yoga Dino. Today we are doing partner yoga with our best friend. Grab your partner, stand together, and let's begin our fun yoga adventure. Best friends pose. Sit back to back with your partner, cross your legs. Feel their back touching yours. Sit up tall. Deep breath in and out. Together. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Amazing start. Reach and stretch. Stretch your legs out. Press your feet together. Hold your partner's hands tight. Now slowly lean forward. Feel that stretch. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Double tree. Stand tall like strong trees. Lift one foot up. Find your balance. Hold your partner's hand. Don't wobble, stay steady. 3, 2, 1. You did it! Twist and shine. Sit back to back again. Now twist toward your partner. Reach their knee. Feel your spine getting tall. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Boat pose challenge. Sit facing your partner. Hold hands tight. Lift your legs up. Press your feet together. Balance, balance, don't fall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super strong. You are doing amazing, yogis. Say it with me. Yoga Dino strong. Now get ready. The fun poses are coming. Trust backbend. Stand facing your partner. Hold hands tight. Now slowly lean back. Open your chest. Trust your partner. They've got you. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Dancing together. Stand tall. Lift one leg behind. Grab your foot. Now hold your partner's hand. You look like dancers. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Stunning! Balance buddies. Stand side by side. Lift your outer leg. Hold your foot if you can. Hold your partner's hand for balance. Stay steady. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Only 4 more poses left, yogis. You are doing so strong. Don't stop now. Folded leaf. One partner lies down, legs up high. Other partner folds forward gently. Breathe into the stretch. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So flexible. Super stack plank. One partner in plank, strong arms. Other partner carefully climbs on top. Hold it steady. Don't shake. 3, 2, 1. Power team. Flying pose. One partner lies back, feet up ready. Other partner balances on top, arms wide. You are flying. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Amazing! Rest and relax. One partner folds down. Rest your head. Other partner gently places hands on their back. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel calm, feel happy. Wow, yogis! You did all 12 poses. Give your partner a big high five. Say it with me. Yoga Dino strong. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. See you next time. Keep stretching, keep smiling.